a chicken cutlet antipasto style. Today we're going to make chicken paillard, one of your faves, I'm sure.
Yes, absolutely.
And then we're going to season it up a little bit more with an Italian blend of granulated garlic and onion, a little of each. To that, I add some fennel seed, some oregano, and crushed red pepper.
Beautiful.
So we're gonna cook these 2 at a time in a little bit of olive oil, and this is going to be our bread. So a no bread muffaletta sandwich is really what we're making.
That sounds amazing.
Will you make the olive spread for me, Jess?
I sure will.
We're gonna use giardiniera, which is Italian pickled vegetables. This is in brine, AKA vinegar, not in oil, drained, and some nice Italian pitted green olives.
Beautiful.
So we're gonna make our own relish and add a little good fruity olive oil to it because neither of these have olive oil yet. And we have chicken paillard, Italian style with Italian seasoning. And I just added some toasted sesame seed because we're making a muffaletta style chicken cutlet,
Yes,
basically.
we are.
This is the olive salad that Jesse made perfectly, by the way. Thank you, Jess.
You're very welcome.
So it's great Italian, really good quality olives. Now you pick and choose here. Do you like mortadella?
I love mortadella, so I'll go
Okay.
there. And I love all different types of salamis. I really like spicy salami. I like spicy, like cold cuts for me. The more spice, the better. The more heat,
So
the
you
better.
want like hot sopressata,
Oh, for
hot
sure.
copa.
Absolutely.
You can mix and match any Italian meats you like to go on top of this.
You
You're
got some
basically
prosciutto as well, right?
Yeah, beautiful. Make any combo you like, babe.
Love that.
So, do you like mozzarella and provolone?
I sure do.
Mozzarella and provolone.
Provolone me, perfect.
Here, help me. You provolone Al Mozz on everybody.
This is teamwork at its finest.
Mozz, Mozz,
Prov.
Mozz.
Double prov.
Oh, double double Mozz. Okay, oven. Broil it, top one. Broil it. And then to serve each of these up,
It smells so good, by the way.
right, we just replaced the bread in a world-famous Louisiana specialty sandwich. We just replace the bread with chicken.
Yeah.
So on top of each of these, we're gonna put a little bit of lettuce.
Because it's healthy.
Yeah. Makes you forget about the calories in the meat and the cheese. And some hot peppers, because you were saying you like it
I love the spice. Yeah, give
right?
me as much kick as you can.
All right. And sweet peppers too, is that okay with you?
Absolutely, yeah.
Sweet peppers too.
Let's make this official.
Okay, and then another drizzle of olive oil just on the lettuce, right?
Wow.
And dude, I think that's looking pretty good, huh?
I agree.